What's up everyone, welcome to my channel, and today is an exciting day because I'm going to be reviewing a very different type of drone. It's called the Newbeedrone Invisi360. So the footage that you saw in the start of the video is basically footage that has been shot on that drone. What is special about this drone? Okay, it's a drone, it's a 3-inch whoop style drone where you can install the Insta360 1R and get unobstructed video or photographs without the drone being in your shot. Yes, the drone will not be visible in whatever you shoot. There's also some communication between me and Newbeedrone that has been exchanged. So if you're interested in this drone, if you're interested in wanting to purchase it, continue watching this video. That was it, a quick unboxing, the extras that I got, the lipos, the extra guards. I'm going to put like a 10-second clip of how to insert the batteries because that's the tricky part. So stay tuned, and you will need to have a pair of tweezers if you don't want to scrape the cables on your lipos. I have two capacities, I have two 650s and two 850 mAh capacities. I'm going to install the 850 because that's slightly bigger and trickier. It'll give you a complete idea of how to install it, and then you can go ahead and install the 650. It's relatively easier with the 650, hence I'll just try this 850 so you get a sense. What I do when I have to install it, I will always keep the XT30 side up, so it becomes easier by the time I get it on top for me to plug it into this directly. Okay, so I'm going to try that and I'm going to show it to you, and it's very easy. Hence you need to have a tweezer because it can get a little tricky. Okay, let's go for it. And with the tweezer, try to get this out, get the XT30 side out first. And you basically connect it. You do the same over here. And that's how you will get both. So then connect it and push it in like this too. You see how easily it sits with that method, and then you just push it down and let the battery sit against it. Just make sure that your balance lead is nicely tucked in, okay? Looks okay. And that's how you install it. You'll notice one thing, that on one side it sits quite comfortably inside, but on the other it doesn't. That is because of the module that connects the 1R. So nothing to worry about, it does not show up in the frame. Don't try to apply extra force to tuck it in because it does not show up in the frame. So we are all good. Just ensure that it is in level and nothing shows up above this particular line, and we're good. Yep, that's how you do it.
Also, one more thing.
And that is how you correctly install the Insta360 1R on the Newbeedrone Invisi360. I have basically shared images here so that in case if you have the drone and if you want to install it and you want to check if you have done it correctly, you can pause this video for a few seconds and check it. On the left side is the top end of the drone and on the right side is the bottom end of the drone. Now, also coming to the lens guards that they have provided, you have to be very careful when installing this black sticker adhesive on it, because there is a very good chance that you can ruin it. I have done it, hence I'm telling you that you need to be very careful and very patient when installing it, because once you do it, this is what it is going to look like when you install it on the Insta360 1R. Again, on the left side is the top end and on the right side is the bottom end. The Newbeedrone Invisi360 looks strikingly similar to another quad that I own called the Splash by Jack Higgins. This was a frame that I had purchased earlier in the year, and I built a India style cine whoop. If in case you've not watched it, I'm going to leave a link in the description box or on the top right. You can watch it, you can check it out over there. Anyway, Now the Splash and the Newbeedrone Invisi360 in terms of construction style are very similar. Okay, the top plate and the bottom plate thickness on both these quads are the same, and I have already cracked the top plate and bottom plate on the Splash more than 3 times. So that was my major cause of concern. So I wrote to Newbeedrone and I asked them that, hey, listen, now in case we do break this, since you all don't sell these frames standalone, what do we do? And Dalton from Newbeedrone replied saying, currently if you break any part on the frame, we will be able to warranty and replace the item. We do not sell these currently, but we do have them available for people who do run into issues. So that's great. So in case you crash the drone hard, in case you break the top plate or bottom plate or run into any kind of issues, Newbeedrone will entertain and support you. In terms of price and feasibility, the Newbeedrone Invisi360 cost 460 USD without a receiver. So in case you have a DJI radio, it's going to cost you 460 USD. If they also sell a Crossfire version, which is about 480 USD. Now 460 USD in conversion to Indian rupees is about 34.5 or 35,000 Indian rupees. With your foreign conversion fee, etc., it'll go up to about 37,000. Similarly, with the Crossfire version, the Indian rupee amount is 36,000. With your foreign conversion fee, it'll go up to 40,000. Now this is just the cost of the drone. You still need an Insta360 1R to utilize the potential of this drone, and that costs about 35 to 40,000. 40,000 if I'm not wrong. So in actuality, you are going to be spending in excess of 70,000 to buy and utilize this drone. Is it feasible as a hobby? I wouldn't say not quite, because now your basic digital setup, like if you want to build a basic setup, it'll cost you about 40 or 45,000. That is minus your GoPro. But yeah, it is expensive. But in case you're using this professionally, because now clients are exploring possibilities of virtual tours, 360s, walkthroughs, and I have myself encountered and have spoken to clients where they would like to explore this opportunity. So from a professional standpoint, this is a very good drone. It is a niche drone, yes, but the creative flexibility that it offers is unmatched. So in case you have the money, you have disposable income, and if you're pursuing this professionally and you think you can afford it, please go ahead and buy it. It's not available in India. You will need to buy it in the United States and probably have it shipped with someone who is flying down. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.